Welcome everyone in today's video. In this video we will talk about best watch for women. Fossil Women's Gen 5e 42mm stainless steel touchscreen smartwatch with Alexa, speaker, heart rate, contactless payments and smartphone notifications etc. About this item, use the WearOS by Google app on your phone running the latest version of Android, excluding Go Edition, or iOS. Supported features may vary between platforms and countries with compatibility subject to change. Battery. 24-hour plus multi-day extended battery mode *** varies based on usage and after updates install ***. USB cable with magnetic charger snaps to rings on watch case back and spins 360 degrees for ease of use. 50 minutes to reach 80%. This is one smart watch with always-on display and thousands of watch faces to personalize. Hundreds of apps from assistant to fitness, payments, music, social, news, games, stopwatches and more. The swimproof design is perfect for all your activities. Automatically tracks activity goals, steps, sleep, heart rate, cardio level and more. Activity modes with tethered GPS keep you on track with your distance and path. Advanced sensors provide the data to power all your health and fitness apps. Stay connected with notifications for calls, texts, apps and automatic time zone and calendar syncing. Never miss a call. Answer and make calls directly on your watch when your phone is out of reach. To buy such a great watch, clicks on the down link present in description. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.